Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2026. You're in the live trading room, but you all know that. You've been here for a long time. Good morning. Hope you had a good day yesterday. Had a good Monday. It started out with one negative trade, but quickly overcame that. Had eight trades yesterday for plus 98. So, other than that first negative trade off of that sell-off that we got into that just fizzled out just as soon as we got into it in reverse, got out of it fairly quickly and into the reversal and didn't look back from there. And in fact, took all my trades except two off of that swing high that happened after that initial sell-off. So that's how things went yesterday. Let's see. Q closed at 7:30.33 and is currently sitting at 7:33.47. So we do have a gap play this morning. The gap fill and trigger will be 7:31.17. 7:31.17. Gap, running that down. So we would have a put play if it comes down to that and continues on after the first 5 minutes. We will have a put play, a put trade, that is. So let me head up to current time. There we go. And let's head over to the option chain right now. Go ahead and get rid of you. We've got 1.614 million already traded in pre-market volume. And we're trading the 27th, which is today. And of course the strikes are out of balance right now, so we'll wait until we get started, get all this pre-market volume built into the strikes before we pick the strikes we're going to trade. Okay, that's it. I see Keith has unmuted his mic, so good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I only had two trades yesterday while my daughter and her family were visiting. But anyway, it was up 12 cents yesterday, so not stellar, but it was a positive day. Um, this morning we had mortgage applications came in at less than last report. So down a little bit there. The ADP employment change, the 4-week average was down a reasonable amount from last report. And we had a Red Book index number came out just a little bit better year over year since the last report. We will have the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index come out at 10, so we may get a pop. It's sort of a minor index, so may not be a huge change. We'll have a 5-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today, and a number of Fed members speaking after the market closes today and before the market opened today. So a lot of people chatting about on that. Um, Tomorrow will be the big reports for the week. The consumer spending numbers come out, the GDP numbers come out, and personal consumption expenditures come out. So a number of things, quite a few that I guess there's probably about 15 reports that come out tomorrow at 8:30. So
Wow.
it'd be a big one tomorrow and more Fed members speaking tomorrow too. Imagine that. And home sales numbers will come out at 10 o'clock tomorrow. So that's it for there. I will be trading again June 18th, the monthly expiration for any new trades today. And that's it.
Okay, well, that's a lot. Boy, tomorrow's stuffed with reports.
Stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
Good heavens. Okay, very good. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Okay, we got less than 10 seconds. Here we go in five, four, three, two, one. There's the bell. Let's make it a great day today. Got price pushing down right off the get-go. Price trying to push down, just having a tough time getting down. Okay, the broader indices, Dow is up by 133, Nas is up by 48, S&P is up by 11. Not huge numbers, but positive markets on the broader indices. And on the options, I'm going to start at the 729 on the call side and probably the 735 on the put side, maybe the 734. We'll see where we're at when we get ready to make a trade.
The wick in the 5 minute is coming right down to yesterday's high, so we may get to fill the gap here.
Hmm. Yeah, sure did. It's just a few cents off. Price kind of stalling a little bit. Now it's starting to rise. Both our MACDs are in the put bias position. Boy, the 5 minute is way down there too. Price trying to climb a little bit. We've got 3.515 million already traded in the underlying asset. Little insect's been flying around my face here. Finally got him. That'll get you. Hate that. Yeah, looks like we're just in some consolidation right now. Price not really moving right now. It's a little doji. See if we get a reversal up.
I'm gonna put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay, we can do that. Just heading down a little bit again. We did get to the gap fill, and let me see here. Well, if you go by the wick, we hit the gap fill and trigger. All right. Looking at the 734 on the put side, stand by. I'm going to enter the 734, and I did at 467. Stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take a little profit here.
And what am I got filled? I'm opening it. 1676.
Okay. Stand by to get out of this. See if this comes down some more. I'm jumping out of this. I jumped out of it. I may jump back into it. The 733 on the put side. I'm jumping back into the 733. Come on, head down. We go. Stand by to take some profit. I'm going to take some profit here. 735 to 790. Excuse me, 435 to 493. 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 435 to 4 I'm going to head back over to the 733 on the put side. I'm going to head over to the 726 on the call side. All right. Head back over to the put side.
I'm going to try to get some profit on
732.
this put. It just got out. And it's 1676 out at 1732.
Nice. NAS has gone negative, minus 61. S&P's down by 5. Dow is up by 130.
Man, got scared and got out of that too early.
Yeah, I know I did.
But I got 56 cents on it, so I'll take that.
Absolutely.
The rains have come back again this morning.
Yeah, here too.
At least I got my walk in this morning before they came out. I'm expecting a black cat to come in soaking wet any time now.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he found a new fun and game thing. Sitting up in front of my monitors and chasing the cursor when I move the mouse.
I love it.
There he is. I hear you. Are you soaking wet?
Looking at the 726 on the call side.
I think I'd like to see it reset a little bit and get into another put.
Hmm.
Are you wet? Oh, you're soaking wet. Blech, blech. I'm looking at the 730 on the put side again.
Okay. I'll look at the 731 on the put side.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get in on this here.
Okay.
In at 1601.
Stand by on this 731. I'm going to go ahead and try to get into 731 and passing me by. Nope, got in. And
Going back up now.
maybe getting right out of this. I'm gonna get out of this. Getting out of this. Ah, got out. Gonna go over to the call side to the 725 on the call side. Stand by on the 725. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Got into the 725 at 475. Stand by to take some profit. Let's go ahead and take some profit here. Out at 438, 475 to 438.
Mhm.
I'm going to head back to the 726 on the call side. 726 strike call. We can put in a demand zone on the bottom here. $7.26 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 7.26. Pass me by. Going back to the 7.26. I'm going to enter it again. All right, I'm in the 7.26 at 4.99. You still in that put, Keith?
I'm sorry?
Are you still in that put?
I am. Yeah, I was not expecting this sharp of a turnaround.
Yeah. All right, stand by to get out of this. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this. All right.
Got just about 5 minutes to go to the pop if there's going to be one at 10.
Okay.
No, keep going down. Keep going down.
All right, I'm going to head over to the 731 on the put side.
Come on, keep going down. Down, 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 down.
Yeah, maybe I head back over to the call side to the 726 on the call side. Move to the 727 on the call side.
It just got about 2 minutes to the pop.
Okay.
Had some pretty good volume this morning.
Indeed.
That's it. Come on down. Hold 1 minute to the pop. Now, come on, down, 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 down. And here's the pop. Come on, down, 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 down. And that's it. Come on down.
All right, looking at the 727 on the call side. I'm going to enter the 727 on the call side. I'm in at 446. Come on, get up there. Come on, climb up there.
Leave the screen alone. Thank you.
Looks like we're into some consolidation.
Yes, I know you see it there. Come on. Yeah, he's trying to drag the tick down lower.
Well,
You're a pip on that.
it's the right spirit.
Yeah.
No, not that way. Get up there. All right, stand by to get out of this. 397, 6. Ah,
Minute MACD's trying to cross over, going back down.
Yeah, I gotta get out of this. I'm out.
Yes, no, don't scratch the monitor. Come on down. Come on down. No, leave it alone.
Dow up by 240, 251, NASDAQ down by 13, S&P up by 4. We've got 10,108,000 traded on the underlying.
And we can actually put a real supply zone in there now, too.
Mm-hmm.
Get down through the demand zone.
Got price bouncing off the demand zone.
Yeah, get down through there, though. Thank
I'm going to head over to the 726 on the call side. Maybe going into consolidation again here. Yeah, price is rising. Still looking at the 726 on the call side. I'm going to move to the 727 on the call side. 727 strike call. And it's starting to turn now.
And Tim,
Yeah.
you got any feelings about much hope for much of an upturn in this thing? You think this thing's pretty well settled at a lower place, may stay there mostly likely for the rest of the day?
Yeah, I'm thinking it's kind of settling.
That doesn't sound good.
Waiting for those announcements tomorrow, probably.
Yeah. Well, I kind of need for it to go up.
Are you in a call?
I am.
Okay.
Not real smart one, but I'm in one. I'm in pretty thick with it too. I must have evidently loved it at one time.
Yeah.
Don't love it quite as much now. I would really not particularly like to take this hickey if I don't have to.
Well, price still going up, but we're kind of into some consolidation now. Well, don't go that way.
Yep. That was a quick $2,000.
Right.
So, I mean, you sit there and want to just watch the thing for the rest of the day. You feel like like it's maybe done about all the damage it's going to do, but you don't know that either.
Yeah. Yeah. I just like it to pick a direction at this point.
I'd
And
like it to pick a direction too, as long as it's down.
well, you seem to be getting your way. We're going to have to agree to disagree about that. It came close to doing right
Mm-hmm.
back about what time? 10 o'clock. Yeah, just after 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Almost got it to where I wanted it, and I thought, no, just a little bit more, and then what? No,
See what happens?
I
Yep.
do see what happens. And I don't like the seeing of what happens, but I do see it. So take a while to get over this hickey right here. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to head to the put side to the 731 on the put side, unless this bounces right off of the demand zone again.
One minute MACD cross back over going down.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to move to the 730 on the put side. I'm going to enter the 730 on the put side. I'm in at 360. Come on. Keith, you can't be too far away,
No, I'm slightly profitable at the moment.
are you? Okay. All right, I'm going to take some profit here. There we are. That helped quite a bit. Thank you. Gonna go back to the 729 on the put side.
I'm going to try to take profit here and just got out at the 60 cents, 1601 to 1661.
All right.
So two trades up $1.16.
Nice. I apparently got back in this trade. Three ninety. I'm gonna take some profit here. Three. Oh, I misread that. 389, 379 to 389. Huh. Thought it was much further down than that. Getting a little bit of reversal here. Coming back up. All right, I'm gonna head over to the 724 on the call side. This call side starting to sputter out a bit.
Yeah, we're a little over an hour into the market, 12.8 million underlying traded so far. Dow's up 355, Nasdaq's down 62, and S&P's just up a little under $2. We're starting to get some lower volume here on the 1 minute candles until about the last 5 minutes. Had some good strong candles in there.
Mm-hmm.
Got the 1 minute MACD trying to cross back over going up. I'm watching the 725 on the call side, again for the June expiration. Yep, you just mentioned that, and it goes red.
Yep. Head back to the put side of the 729 strike put. Stand by on the 729 on the put side. All right, we've got another demand zone.
What do we do?
Price rising back through the minor zone, maybe. Or is it going to bounce off that zone back down? All right, let's head over to the call side. To the 626 on the call side.
You mean 726?
726, thank you. Hmm. I'm going to enter this 726 and it passed me by. Enter it again. All right. Got in at 383. And of course, it's reversing. Come on, head up there. Come on, get up there.
So Tim,
Yeah,
you think if this thing hasn't done right by about noon, be best to bail out then because of time decay?
yeah,
Yeah. He sure seems to be a lot more interested in being a put than a call.
yep. Boy, and I timed this one just perfectly, didn't I?
No. Welcome to the club.
And you've been doing fairly well, Tim, getting in early on trends.
Yeah, yep. Come on, get up there.
Just get sucked into FOMO.
Yep. Come on, get up there.
You ought to be getting pretty close to break even.
Um, yeah, actually, just about at break even now.
It's tempting to let it go until it gets up to VWAP, but as Larry said, it's been more um, mind to go down this morning than up.
Yeah,
At this point, I'm just trying to decide how big of a hickey
Yep,
I'm going to take and feel pretty good about it.
yep. I mean that's the right attitude, Larry.
Doesn't feel right, but I don't see that I have a lot of choice.
No,
I hate to lose more than a week's worth of gains in one morning.
yeah.
I can't understand why you'd have a problem with that.
Well, it's because I'm just kind of a peculiar person that way. Tim, the other day I mentioned to you that I wanted to ask you a question about the trade that you had been in.
Yeah.
And I don't remember anything really about it now, but I can tell you about the one that I was in today. So and yours was similar. I think you were in one for about say maybe 350 and let it go all the way down to where it was about 75 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Um, did you consider buying a bunch at 75 cents to average yourself way down? I mean,
Yes.
you could have bought, if you had 20 of those, you could have bought 40 of them for another 3 grand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, I mean, 4 batches. So it would have been, so it would have been 80. You'd have been in at 100 contracts, but you would have averaged yourself down from 350 to probably about less than $2.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually looked at that and didn't pull the trigger on it.
Well, I'm in 60 on these right now because I've already averaged myself down twice
Mm-hmm.
from the beginning of 20. And it got down to 75 cents. And I it didn't stay there long enough for me to decide to do it. I very seriously considered buying 40 more and give me an even 100.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And let's see, I'm at 269 average now, but I figure another 40 in that. I didn't exactly figure it, but it would probably take me down to about 175 maybe,
Yeah.
which would and it's at $1.20 now with a 38 delta. And you'd have a chance at getting back on that. And whenever those cheap ones uh, come back
They're coming
50
up.
cents, that's a lot.
Yep.
I have also considered what if you weren't in that trade at all that spiked down and went down to 75 cents? What if you weren't in it? But what if you acted like you were in it and bought some there anyway?
Yeah. It
Bought some of the 75-cent ones and let it go up to $1.25.
Sure.
You made 50 cents on a 75-cent investment.
Sure. That's crazy good. Absolutely.
None of that has happened to me today.
Yeah.
So I got that to be thankful for.
I
So,
have considered that at times, the being out of the money by quite a bit and then buying low and watching it go up.
yeah.
And that is tempting. I haven't done really any back testing on that to see how that works though.
Well, I mean, when you get into these $4 contracts at 20, you're in $8,000. It's an $8,000 trade.
Mm-hmm.
You buy 20 at 75 cents, and it's a $1,500 trade.
Mm-hmm.
If it goes
Much
up,
different.
if it goes up 50 cents, and a lot of times they will. You've made $1,000 on a $1,500 trade.
Mm-hmm.
Could
That's
be
true.
worse. Could be worse.
Yeah.
Anyway, like I say, that's not exactly my problem today. It won't
Oh,
be my biggest loss I've ever had, but it may be my most aggravating.
yeah. I hear you.
It just seems like it's gotten in a pocket right here and it just won't, it likes it.
Yeah, it's in consolidation right now. I just
Mhm.
hope it pops out the top side.
Yeah. 5 MACD thinks it might.
Mm-hmm.
Low volume is not going to help.
No, it just moves it slower.
I'm going to sit with it for a while, but I'm trying to manage how big of a hickey I have to take. It's going to be bigger than I want, I think.
Yeah, if
Okay.
we can just pop out the top of this, we'll be okay. Come on, head up there. Break out of this consolidation and head up. Yeah. Gonna have to get out of this. 254.83.
Well, here's that opportunity again.
Mm-hmm.
Well, all right. So if you were sitting with 60 of these things at $2.69, would you buy 40 more of them right now for 77 cents?
I might.
I mean, in for a penny, in for a pound.
Yeah. Getting a little rebound here on pricing.
I don't like the looks of that five back D.
No, I don't either.
Well, just to throw another wrench in it too, if you look at the 15 and the 30-minute MACD, they're still going down.
Are
Yeah.
they?
Yeah.
Maybe I should just bail and be done with it. It's a $10,000 hickey.
Ouch.
Mm-hmm. It'd take 2 weeks to get over that. I was hoping for a $5,000 hickey.
Well, price is going up.
Wish that 5 MACD would go up.
Yeah.
All right, Tim, we're at the top of the hour. I'm gonna step away. Uh,
Okay.
two trades today, up $1.16 for me.
All right. Well, I'm under a bit today. Anyway, thank you everybody for joining in today. We will see you all tomorrow. Have a good afternoon.
Yep. See everybody. Thanks, Tim.